Carol here, and it's time for another installment in our 30 days of projects for your fall events. On Thursday, it starts Day of the Dead celebrations. So I thought it'd be a perfect time to show you how to take a skull cookie that we've made. Let's see, we've cut with our skull cutter. And in that set, we also include stencils. And here they are, here too. Aren't they so cute? Day of the Dead skulls. And I'm going to show you how to paint those in a rainbow of colors to decorate your cookie. All right, let's move this down here. There. Now I have some fondant. This is a quick and easy way to decorate your cookie. If I had more time, I could ice the cookie with royal icing, but it takes at least 24 hours for that to dry. So now that fondant comes in some flavorful, different kinds of flavors, we have more choices. It's not as disgusting as it used to be. They even have like a white chocolate or dark chocolate. So here we have our fondant all rolled out. And I'm going to take my skull cookie cutter and cut my shape. Let's see, get that little bit of there off. Okay. Now I'm going to take my stencil and lay it down on top. What I'm going to use to color those are these powder colors from, I like to use the ones from Crystal Colors because I know that they are food grade, they're edible. Some of these have plastics in them, especially if they have sprinkles, and so they're really not safe for you to ingest. So I'm getting my different colors out here. Aren't they beautiful? This array of rainbow colors. And then I'm going to have a different brush for each color. If you have trouble when you're brushing on your powder colors and they don't feel like they are absorbing or sticking at all, you can take a little bit of Crisco on your finger and just rub it over all the openings here. Get a little bit more. It's also nice to put on the back of your stencil sometimes to help hold it into place. All right, so that's going to give the powder something to grip. You just need to remember though that Crisco does not evaporate or dry, so it may be smudgy if you try and touch it before, like right after you've done it. Now I'm just going to use the powder that's right here in my lid. Tap off the excess. You could even have a paper towel handy just to brush off the excess if you wanted to. And then let's get the eyes. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Now let's get a little bit of yellow. Brush off the excess for that. I'm gonna put that right here. Nice thing about these colors is where they overlap, they're going to blend to make another color. So we're going to get more of an orangey effect here in the middle where those two are overlapping. Let's put a little bit of yellow down there. Look at how nice and vibrant that is. We'll go for a little bit of blue right here. Let's get a little more blue going out the sides there. Oh, isn't that a pretty purple that it's making with the pink? And then let's put a little bit of blue up here. There we go. And last but not least, we've got our pale green. We're going to make green teeth. And then just this little bit right up here. See how I'm really not worrying if it's going over some of the other openings? Because like I said, you're gonna blend to make a little bit of rainbow color. And I can even take this green and move it down and around there. Now, we're all set. That little bit of a, there we go. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Let me get this up. So you can see. And there it is on our finished cookie. Here are a couple other examples that I brought with me. Our sugar skull pumpkins. Here again is one shown with a variety of colors. It even looks nice just done in the monochromatic black and white. Well, that's the end of another project in our 30-day series. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can be alerted to all the different projects we're going to be doing over the next month.